Hendrix I'm the principal at QEDA Consulting, and I'm here at the 2013 State of the Estuary Conference, and we're presenting a poster, myself along with some colleagues from the University of Washington, on some population dynamics models for spring run and fall run Chinook. And this is work that's being funded by the Delta Stewardship Council, and so we're wanted to talk a little bit about the background behind these models and why we're presenting the work here. So basically the goal of these models is to try and understand what's caused fall run and spring run Chinook populations to increase or decrease historically. And so we're using different indices of abundance like spawner abundance indices or juvenile surveys, and we're fitting a statistical model to those data in a way that allows us to look for relationships between variability in those data and these environmental drivers or anthropogenic drivers. So some examples of those would be differences among years in flow of water in the rearing areas, so in the rivers where the eggs have been deposited, or alternatively in conditions in the delta, so for example export conditions in a specific year, and then also ocean productivity indices as well as harvest rates. And so the population models are life cycle models, so they run all the way from the eggs down through the juveniles as they exit into the Gulf of the Farallones out into the ocean. Then as they mature into adults, some of them are captured in the fishery, some of them return to spawn, and then start the life cycle over again. And so these models attempt to incorporate that full life cycle